We're here at the Northern Ireland Manufacturing Supply Chain Conference. AMIC is one of the key sponsors. Northern Ireland is facing some key challenges and we're keen to support industry with productivity, competitiveness. We want to grow the economy and we believe that innovation and manufacturing are two key enablers for that.
What we find that there are two major strategic challenges that industries are facing. One is around the whole area of digitalization. So that's the application of digital technologies to their manufacturing systems to deliver productivity and sustainability improvements. And the second big stream is sustainability itself, looking at how they measure the carbon impact of their business, their operations and their product, and supporting them on that transformation journey. So we see these two big transformations underway in businesses, the digitalization transformation and sustainability transformation.
So climate change is one of the greatest challenges that we have right now that we're faced with. And so that drive for sustainability is so important. Within AMIC, our mission is to support manufacturers to innovate for their growth, for increased productivity, increased competitiveness. And I really do believe that sustainability and moving towards a decarbonised economy and net zero and a circular economy is a really great way to be able to help bring those two pieces together. And we really feel that innovation can really help drive that journey to sustainability to overcome some of those real challenges that manufacturers are faced with around process optimization, resource efficiency, and really kind of driving productivity within their own businesses.
As part of our Smart Sustainable journey, we're really excited to work with AMIC to expand on our testing capabilities, but also make those sustainable improvements to our products and processes and ultimately work towards a more circular economy. We're working with AMIC on a couple of different clusters, so we're part of the Technology Steering Group, but also the Smart Industry Next, so we're excited to be able to work with AMIC to make improvements, the advancements in our production systems.
Obviously R&D is an ecosystem. You can't just develop something by using the same old systems that you would have always done. AMIC has a lot more experience in the problems that are faced in industry because that's why other companies will be involved in them. So being able to figure out what problems need solving is always going to be your first step. So there's no point in us developing something that has no use, in the marketplace. Whereas if we know what problems are coming up, we can sit down with AMIC, with their companies and their partners and figure out a solution together.
Queen's is a underpinning educational delivery system. Everyone's aware of what they do and the capabilities. Everyone's aware that industry have needs that are probably quite far away from that. But there's a lot of academic research that's developed and has been developed for years and years, and a lot of that doesn't make an impact on industry. What AMIC is a way to transition that really fundamental research and bring it into industry and really realise the benefit of it. So there's some really good examples of how that's been done elsewhere, and I think we're building on what's good there and making it more suitable for the Northern Irish supply chain and manufacturing environments.
As an ecosystem and all working together, we're going to get much greater impact, faster impact. So everybody has a role to play. We're excited about the opportunity that the BRCD investment in the new facility in Global Point is going to create. And we believe we're an important cog in the innovation system that's being created here in Northern Ireland.